Hi guys. So recently somebody was asking me how to use a contact microphone as a drum trigger. So I'm going to show you that. So actually this is what it sounds like. So my setup here is that on each one of these stools, I have a white low gain model metal marshmallow contact microphone. And those I have running into my audio device, and those are coming into Reaper here, which you can see on the screen. So here I have a new Reaper project, so I can just quickly show you how to set this up in case you want to do this. So I can make a new track, and on the FX, I can search the JSFX for drum trigger, and that's this one, and that's the one that detects my tapping and converts it to a MIDI note. And then I also need some sort of a synthesizer to actually synthesize that, and I'm just using the regular AU Apple MIDI synthesizer. And if I arm this for recording, and I'll actually record it so you can hear the sounds that are coming out, then I should be able to play sounds, and then this MIDI note here is what controls what the actual sound is. So I can basically get all of the general MIDI sounds, drum sounds, by moving this around. Yeah, so that's it. I guess I'll talk to you next time. Bye!